So we have the generator here, and it is hooked up to the house supply here, which will then go back to the electrical board. But first, let's start the thing. And on the switchboard we have mains on, generator on, changeover switch. So we have now gone on to generator. We have large fridge, freezer and chest freezer. In the house we have fridge freezer, and we have aircon that will turn on, whack him on full power. He's working happily on the generator. Two aircons going, and we're drawing 1.7. Put the kettle on. Aircon is still going. Put the toaster on. Aircon is still going. You can hear it's drawing 6.1 kilowatt.